Hi, welcome to LearnZilla. We have great news for both freshers and aspirants who want to change their career path. Unacademy has announced the re-level tournament for job placements, which will give everyone an opportunity to work for India's finest companies. They will get an opportunity to apply for over 500 jobs in 50 different companies, offering annual salary package up to 15 lakhs. Re-level is designed to either give a good start to a career or accelerate your career. You can apply to multiple companies with a re-level score. Participating in a re-level tournaments will qualify you for direct interviews with all their partner companies. For example, some of the partner companies are shown here. You can participate from anywhere in India. It's 100% online. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. The re-level tournament is so designed that you can showcase your skills and it doesn't depend on your resume or biodata. Of course, you need a college degree, but your skills matter more than your marks. Each round is designed to show your skills to the participating company. They're looking for your problem solving skills, emotional quotient or emotional intelligence, your attention to detail, your communication skill and creativity. Another important feature of the re-level tournament is that once you register, you will get personal mentoring. You will get detailed feedback about your strengths and weaknesses from an experienced professional to increase the chance of success in the advanced stages or interview stages. Now let us understand how the re-level tournament process works. The first stage is registration. You have to register for the tournament and complete your profile by 22nd June. Then comes the prelims challenge round. The tournament starts on 26th June and only top 25% participants will qualify for the next stage or the advanced challenge round. In the advanced challenge round, you will face experienced interviewers who will test you and ensure you clear minimum cutoffs. When the results are announced, you will get a detailed skill report with your strengths and weaknesses. In the final stage, you can apply for placements in your company of choice and start receiving job offers. Now let us preview a list of sample companies which you can apply for or get placed in with your re-level score. These are the list of sample companies. They are India's finest companies who had on re-level score. So you have opportunity to apply for 500 plus jobs in 50 different companies with packages up to 15 plus lakh per annum. You can apply for a variety of jobs like business development, which has more than 300 plus jobs, front-end development, which has more than 100 plus jobs, back-end development, which has 100 plus jobs. Now let us see the frequently asked questions for the re-level tournament. First question is, what is re-level tournament? It's a 5-challenge tournament that assesses real-world job skills and domain knowledge of the candidates and then connects them for interviews with partner companies. In the end, you will receive comprehensive feedback and database recommendation to improve on your skills. So help you improve your skills. And what is eligibility criteria? If you are looking for your first or next job and have under 3 years of experience, means less than 3 years of work experience, or are you still in college and will graduate by July 2021? What if you could not register for this tournament in time? According to re-level, it will be conducted multiple times throughout the year. So when you subscribe to mailing list, you will be updated on the new tournaments coming up. How many winners are there for the tournament? So there are no winners. Only the top 25 percentile will be shortlisted for challenge 3 and top 75 percentile from the remaining candidates for challenge 5. All candidates are finally shortlisted for an interview with the partner companies. If a job is assured if I participate in the tournament, If you go past the advanced stage of the tournament, you may get a final interview call, but the final offer will depend on your interviews with the respective companies. How many times can I apply for the same tournament? The tournament will take place multiple times in a year, and you can choose to apply for any number of tournaments. How do I prepare for the tournament? You can download the detailed syllabus once you register, and I recommend the LearnZilla app. The LearnZilla app will help you prepare for aptitude, which is quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal ability or English, psychometric tests, data interpretation, programming logic or technical MCQ, and we also have programming videos. So I will leave you here with a short clip about the LearnZilla app explaining all its unique features.